Hey fellow stock guardians, it's Friday, April 30th, 2021. I'm Hoda, co-founder and CEO of StockCard, reporting to you from a red stock market. I dug into the stock market indices movements, played with StockCard's screener tool and found a new hidden gem stock, and researched why Twitter's stock price fell after the earnings report. The market indices wrapped the week in the red. However, the month of April was good for investors. All indices ended the month in the green, with the Nasdaq gaining more than 6%, S&P 500 more than 5%, and the Dow ending the month more than 2% higher than where it started. The economic indicator that grabbed attention today is the cost of lumber that is used to build new homes or redesign and renovate existing homes. According to an article on CNBC, quoting from the National Association of Home Builders, the surge in lumber prices in the past year has added $35,000 to the price of an average new single-family home and more than $12,000 to the market value of an average new multifamily home. It is no wonder the real estate market and home prices, and of course, consequently, share price of real estate stocks have been rocketing upward in the last few months. It seems every Friday when I have a little bit more time to research the market, and I tend to look for hidden gem stocks. A hidden gem is a relatively smaller company with growing revenue, a lot of cash, free cash flow positive. Today, I also added being profitable as a criteria, and let's see what I found. A list of 15 companies that meet my criteria. There are a lot of banks and financial services on the list. The one company that grabbed my attention is a small wireless solution provider called Franklin Wireless Corp, ticker FKWL. It's a $150 million company that provides the technology required to deliver reliable, always-on connectivity for video surveillance, digital signage, home security, oil and gas exploration, kiosks, fleet management, smart grid, vehicle diagnostics, and other similar markets. It's just got approved to get listed on the Nasdaq Stock Exchange in late March, and I won't be surprised for us to start hearing about the company more. The stock has recently taken a hit from a high of $21 per share in late March to about $12 to $13 per share now. There were reports that the company is dealing with battery issues in some of its wireless hotspot devices, and that could be the reason for the price drop. Considering that Franklin Wireless isn't a battery manufacturer, this technical challenge, if it is true, isn't a threat to the long-term success of its product. Worst come worst, it needs to change its battery supplier. That's just my response to the price crash, but I need to do a little bit more research. Overall, I'm adding this stock to my watch list for a possible chance to snag a hidden gem stock at a great price. If you want a watch list I created that led me to Franklin Wireless, look for the link in the show notes. On the loser side, shares of Twitter were down more than 15% today. The company is among the rare tech and social media companies that ended quite lower after its earnings report. Q1 performance was excellent, revenue was up, so was the number of monetizable daily active users, which is the leading indicator of how much advertisement revenue the company can generate. Investors got spooked when they heard about Q2 guidance, which was a forecast below Wall Street's expectations. We saw the same thing with Pinterest. These companies all benefited from rapid growth in users and engagement during the pandemic. Now their quarter-over-quarter and year-over-year growth forecasts do not look good, and that spooks investors. Folks, if you haven't already done so, please give StockCard a try, research as many stocks and ETFs as you want, and consider following a few successful investors by visiting the Stock Picks page on the StockCard platform. Don't forget to sign up for a 14-day free trial with promo code ROLLWITHOURCEO, all lowercase and in one word. And as always, help us grow the stock guardian community by liking, subscribing, and sharing these daily market recap reports with your fellow investors. I'll see you next week.